How could thinkers from thousands of years ago hold two opposing truths at the exact same time? Could they have understood a reality that was both one thing and another, existing in a state of unresolved potential? We often see our modern scientific worldview as a recent invention, a radical departure from the philosophical and spiritual inquiries of the past. Yet when we look closely, we find surprising echoes. Imagine an ancient sage sitting under a banyan tree at dawn. They are not concerned with particles or waves. Let's delve a little deeper into this strange and wonderful idea from modern physics. Superposition is not just a philosophical curiosity. It is mathematically described and experimentally verified property of the quantum world. In the realm of atoms and electrons, particles do not behave like the solid objects we see around us. An electron, for example, does not have a single fixed position until we measure it. Instead, it exists as a wave of probability spread out over a region of space. This means it has the potential to be found in many different places at once. This cloud of possibilities is its state of superposition. Its reality is a smear of potential locations, not a single point. Thousands of years ago, in the Indian subcontinent, the sages of the Upanishads developed a profound philosophical system known as Vedanta. This tradition sought to understand the ultimate nature of reality, which they called Brahman, and its relationship to the individual self, or Atman. Atman is Brahman. This means that the individual self is not separate from the ultimate universal consciousness. The apparent separation between you and the universe is an illusion. At its core, Vedanta teaches that reality is a unified, non-dual whole. Here we find our first clear parallel to the idea of superposition. A person exists in a dual state, is simultaneously an individual self, Atman, and the universal, all-encompassing reality, Brahman. From everyday experience, you are a unique person with a name, a body, and a personal history. In ancient China, the philosophy of Taoism offered another powerful model for understanding a world of dynamic and overlapping realities. Central to Taoist thought is the concept of the Tao, the natural underlying flow of the universe. The Tao is described as an unnameable and unknowable source from which all things arise. It manifests through the interplay of two complementary and opposing forces, yin and yang. Yin is associated with qualities like darkness, passivity, femininity, receptivity. Yang is associated with light activity, masculinity, creativity. Emerging from India around the same time as some Upanishadic thought, Buddhism offered yet another profound perspective on the nature of reality. The Buddha's core teaching, known as the Middle Way, provides a path that avoids two extreme views. The extreme of eternalism, the belief that things, including a soul, have a permanent, unchanging existence, and the extreme of nihilism, the belief that things are utterly non-existent and that actions have no consequences. The Buddha taught that reality is neither absolutely real in a permanent sense, nor absolutely unreal. Instead, things exist in a state of dependent origination. They arise in dependence on other factors and have no independent intrinsic being. While the parallels between ancient philosophies and quantum superposition are intellectually stimulating and deeply inspiring, it is crucial to maintain a clear and honest distinction between them. The sages of Vedanta were not early quantum physicists. The masters of Taoism were not early quantum physicists. The Buddha was not an early quantum physicist. Their insights were not derived from mathematical equations. Their insights were not derived from controlled experiments. Their insights were not derived from the observation of subatomic particles in a laboratory. Their data came from the inner world of human consciousness through rigorous practices of meditation, introspection, philosophical debate. What then can we take away from this fascinating comparison? We learn that the human quest to understand the fundamental nature of reality is ancient, universal, persistent. The questions that haunt today's physicists in their laboratories. What is the nature of being what is the relationship between the observer and the observed are the very same questions that occupied the minds of philosophers, sages in forests, monasteries thousands of years ago. The deep wonder that drove them is the same wonder that drives us now. It is a testament to the enduring power of human curiosity and our relentless desire to find our place within the cosmos. Recognizing these parallels does not diminish the achievements of modern science. Instead, it enriches them, placing them within a larger historical context, cultural context of human inquiry.